Downloaded a REG file or found one bundled with software and unsure whether to run it? This is a Windows registry script that directly modifies system settings, and it absolutely pays to know what's inside before double-clicking. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through safely handling these registry files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading REG file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. REG files are Windows registry script files containing registry key and value definitions in a human-readable text format. When executed, they merge their contents into the Windows registry, adding, modifying, or deleting keys and values. They are used for system configuration, software deployment, and backup of registry settings. REG files use plain text encoding starting with a Windows Registry Editor version header, followed by registry key paths in brackets and name-value pairs. Value types include REGZ for strings, REG DORD for integers, and REG binary for binary data. Deletion entries use a minus prefix before key paths or value names. The native handler for REG files is usually Windows Registry Editor, regedit.exe from Microsoft Corporation. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows cannot detect misuse of parameters, so editing without guidance can cause issues. We are performing a full check of installed file handlers. Right-click your REG file and choose Open With. Test with Windows Registry Editor, regedit.exe first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is usually a simple software swap. If you're still with me that REG file is truly stubborn, we need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, inspecting before executing. Always right-click a REG file and select Edit to open it in Notepad before running it. Review every key path and value to understand what registry changes it will make. Look for suspicious entries targeting security settings, startup locations, or system policies that could indicate malicious intent. Next, applying registry changes. After verifying the contents, double-click the REG file and confirm the user account control and registry editor prompts. The entries merge into your system registry immediately. Restart Windows. If the changes affect system-level settings or services that only read registry values during boot. Finally, backing up before changes. Before applying any REG file, create a backup by opening Registry Editor, typing regedit in the Start menu, and selecting File, then Export. Choose All under Export range to back up the entire registry, or navigate to the specific key being modified, and export just that branch for targeted restoration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.